Welcome back to our channel. Today the Honda Mighty 13 4x4 Mini Tractor 2025 is a groundbreaking addition to the compact tractor segment, designed to deliver exceptional performance, versatility, and reliability. This innovative machine is engineered for small-scale farming, landscaping, and light-duty tasks, making it an ideal choice for farmers, hobbyists, and homeowners who need a compact yet powerful tractor. At the heart of the Mighty 13 is a robust 13-horsepower engine, renowned for Honda's signature efficiency and durability. The 4x4 drivetrain provides superior traction and stability on various terrains, ensuring optimal performance in both wet and dry conditions. Its compact design allows it to maneuver effortlessly in tight spaces, making it perfect for operations in small fields, orchards, or gardens. The 2025 model boasts several upgrades, including advanced hydraulic systems for seamless control of implements like plows, mowers, and loaders. The ergonomic design ensures user comfort during extended operation, featuring an adjustable seat, intuitive controls, and low vibration levels. Fuel efficiency is another highlight, with the engine delivering impressive mileage, reducing operational costs for users. Built with rugged construction, the Honda Mighty 13 ensures long-term reliability, even under demanding conditions. Its low maintenance requirements further enhance its appeal, with easily accessible service points and durable components designed to withstand the rigors of daily use. The tractor's compact size also makes it easy to store and transport. Honda has prioritized sustainability in the Mighty 13, equipping it with a low-emission engine that aligns with environmental standards. Whether you're cultivating land, hauling materials, or maintaining a property, this mini tractor offers unparalleled value and performance. The Honda Mighty 13 4x4 Mini Tractor 2025 is not just a tool but a dependable partner for your agricultural and landscaping needs.